Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. It looks like we might have our very first loss of the breakout strategy, and that will be McAfee. Not yet, but I do have my stop loss set at 27.58. So as soon as McAfee, if it keeps dropping, and if it goes down to $27.59, then I will be cashing out at a loss. So that then we would be basically 7 and 8. We would have the very first loss or the very first time that the breakout strategy loses. Again, not surprised because eventually we would have. I don't expect the breakout strategy to be right 100% of the time. Thankfully, every single other one has been great. We still have a lot of time on these McAfees, so I'm hoping it recovers. But again, if we do touch 27.59, which is a stop loss right here, it's one fib level down. From that one fib that it has to cross over to hit the first take profit, right? So if we do hit that level, unfortunately, I will have to close the position because, again, always follow strategy, right? Just updating you guys on this one. Shopify, Crowd, and Dropbox is actually doing really well. Shopify is recovering a lot. Wing is doing pretty poorly. Actually, where is Wing? Wing is, I wouldn't say poorly. It's just not really doing anything. It's just kind of trading sideways right now. But yeah, McAfee. It looks like we are about to. It looks like McAfee is gonna have to be taken at a loss, and basically from there, it's just gonna be 7 and 8, where it's gonna be maybe it might be the very first one that I take a loss on. I'll update you guys a little bit later. But again, 27.59. If we do touch that level on the downside, I will be closing the position. I'll see you guys later.